Hello, good day. Welcome to 1 Minute Astrophotography tutorial. Today I'll show you how to stack images of a comet in Deep Sky Stacker. This is a very easy and straightforward method. Firstly, make sure that your files are organized in their folders. Like normal stacking, we will be adding lights, flats, biases and darks. Once you've added the files, click Check All and press Register Checked Pictures. Make sure you tick off Stack after registering. Once registration is done, click on the light frame with the highest score and then go to the right-hand panel and click the green comet button. Zoom in on your image and hold down the Shift key and put the green box around the eye of the comet and click. Once that is done, go to Settings, Stacking Settings. Under Comet, choose the stacking mode. I like the third option. Click on that and press OK. Once that's done, go to Stack Checked Images and click OK, and it should begin stacking. Now wait for a few minutes. And there we have it. This picture is ready for post-processing. Here's the same picture after a few tweaks in Cyril. Not too bad for 8 minutes of data. Well, there you have it. Easy comet stacking. If you found this video to be helpful, please subscribe.